All right, guys. Well, today is air filter day for the Jeep. We're in the shop, and we're gonna check our in-cabin air filter, and we're gonna do the air filter for the engine. But man, I don't know if I've ever done it. In fact, some people don't even really realize that they have one. We're always open top and breathing the fresh air instead of filtered air. But this will be great. If you ever notice like a musty smell, maybe after rain or anything, if you have your hard top on and other stuff. It may not be just the mildew from your water crossings when your last trip. It may actually be from the air filter. I already got the key on the ignition, and we're going to open up the glove box, and you'll see on each side of the glove box there's a peg that's holding it in place, and all you got to do is push those in, and then the whole thing slides right out. Okay, it's super simple. There's the peg on each side, right? Pretty simple. On the inside, there's this little flap. Let me get it. I'll show you. When you first open up the glove box, you're going to see that there's this door that's blocking off the vents. Okay, and what you'll do is you'll come over here and make sure the key is on the ignition, and then you'll hit that button. And as soon as you do that, that door opens up and it gives you access to the filter, and you can see it sitting right behind there. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is remove this clip, and that pushes down just like that, and all you have to do is push down and pull it towards you, and then it'll open right up. And you can do the other side, the one for the other. Come on, camera. Cheapers, crumps. Okay, so that gets you for both sides here, all right, when you open it up. And then all you do is stick your hand in there, and you'll see the two filters. Okay, and you just lift it up, pinch it, and bring it on out. It's pretty bad. There's a down arrow. You saw that that's the way the air was facing, so we'll take that one out of there, drop that one in the box, and then we'll pull the other one out. Just pick it up and then slide it on out. Whew. That's pretty nasty. Okay. All right, so now we have our new one here from STP, and this one is CAF 1911P. This is for the 2011 through probably like 12, maybe 2008 through 11 Jeep. I don't know. Just look up your part number, go to your AutoZone and pick it up, and open that door. And I'm gonna slide it over, and then I'm gonna make sure that it sits nice and flush. Okay. That's it, and then just close those doors, and that's all there is to it. Yeah, these dudes are nasty, so get those out of here. And then to reinstall the box, you see these two clips here on the bottom. You're just going to make sure that the box itself sits in place, and then you're going to push these in, tuck that back, and then good to go. These wires are for other things that I've got hooked up, so I can have my camera up here. All right, guys, who would have thought? These are nasty. I'm not sure if they've ever been replaced, but I feel better knowing that I'm not breathing through that, or my kiddos when they're sitting here in the Jeep and we're on a trip or something. Dusty conditions, you may want to check this more often depending on what you do and how you use your Jeep. But yeah, they were definitely time to go. So glad I got that one done. Let's go ahead and move on over to the air filter, and we'll start that one. All right, guys, so now we're up at the front of the Jeep, and I'll tell you what, this is nasty. I mean, look at that. It's gross. It's never been changed since I've owned the Jeep. And we're going on 5 years now. I do have a replacement. This is from Rip Superchargers, because this is for the supercharger itself. And so quick, easy replacement. This one is a little slightly different. The air tube here is on the side instead of the front, but it's just held on by a hose clamp, and should be a simple install. Go ahead and get that clamp off of there, and we'll get this on out here. I did notice that I was having some troubles with the filter even falling off the metal housing here. It was kind of embarrassing. You just show up and all of a sudden the filter is sitting in the box there. But, just pull that dude off, and then yeah, see, look at that. It just separates. Pull the tube off of there and call it quits. Go ahead and put the new one on. Now we'll see if we can get this band on there. Slide it up underneath between that, and just slide that dude on. Well, that was easy. Here we go. And we'll get that started and we'll get it plugged in, and we should be breathing a whole lot better, at least for the motor's concerned. That ain't going anywhere. And then just connect our hose to the new one. And that's it. Okay. Out with the old, in with the new. Super easy. Undo the clamp, put the new one on, attach the hose, and you're done. All right, so now that we got it all installed, let's see how it sounds. That sounded pretty good. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I mean, it's pretty easy for the in-cabin air filter. Just a few little things you gotta do just to get yourself set up for success. As far as the RIP supercharger filter, man, that's super simple. Hose clamp, take it off, put the new one on there, and reattach. But it should be breathing quite a bit better, much better than this stuff. Because I mean, oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed. I can't believe I let it go this long for something so simple. Breathe right, breathe easy. Take care. We'll catch you on the next one. See you guys.